Door's open. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. You got it? He's got a gun. Shots fired.
On Tuesday, May 4th, 2021 at approximately 8:16 p.m., the LVMPD Dispatch Center received several calls from citizens reporting they heard gunshots at an apartment complex located at 3040 East Charleston Boulevard. At the same time, the LVMPD shot spotter system detected gunfire in the area. Arriving officers saw two males running through the apartment complex. One of them had a firearm in his hand. Officers issued verbal commands to the subjects who complied, and they were taken into custody without incident. Both males stated to officers that they were walking through the apartment complex when a white male started shooting at them. The suspect was later identified as William Holt. Mr. Holt was shooting at the males from behind a wall that is in the adjacent apartment complex located at 2775 Fremont Street. One of the males told officers that he returned fire in self-defense. Both males also told officers that the shooting was unprovoked and they didn't know Mr. Holt. Officers were able to locate Mr. Holt's apartment and were in the process of setting up containment when he stepped out of the doorway and he fired one round from the rifle. After firing the single round, Mr. Holt walked back into his apartment. Officers were not sure if Mr. Holt was firing at them or at the other citizens. The incident was then to be treated as a barricaded armed subject. So at this point, we try to slow the momentum, call in additional resources to assist us in contacting the suspect safely, but in this case, Mr. Holt's actions did not allow us to do this. Officer Lindbergh had his rifle deployed and took a containment position. About a minute later, Mr. Holt came back out of the apartment's doorway again, armed with a rifle. Officers stated he pointed the rifle at them. At that point, Officer Lindbergh fired two rounds, striking Mr. Holt. Officers approached and started to provide medical aid to Mr. Holt. However, he succumbed to his injuries and he was declared deceased by medical personnel on the scene. Through the course of the investigation, crime scene analysts recovered 6 spent shell casings on the ground below Holt's apartment, 5 of which were fired from a .223 rifle. The other shell casing was fired from the .308 rifle. Additionally, the .223 rifle recovered from Holt's balcony had experienced a malfunction and a round had jammed in that single rifle.
Control 8 Baker 76, give us a red. There's 2 people that just started running northbound to the complex. We're going to be next to building F. They saw something near building F and they started running. They won't get us any further.
Hey!
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Drop it! Get on the ground! Control 8 Baker 76, we have one with a gun in their hand. They're putting it down. Get over here! Get over here! Get away from the gun! Over here!
Yes, sir. Come on.
Get over here! Get your hands behind your back.
I'm trying to tell you shit. Hey, tell me what's up. Get back. Get back. He starts shooting at us.
Who did?
The guy, I don't know.
Somebody up there, up in the apartment.
You're good.
That's my phone.
8 Baker 76, copy and update.
Yeah.
Break.
My shit.
We have the gun in custody. They're saying that somebody to the west complex. Let me see your hands!
Oh.
Get on the ground!
He's with us.
Somebody in the west complex is shooting at them apparently.
He's up there, bro.
Who is it?
He's up there on the thing.
White dude over there to the left. He's right there.
They're saying a WMA was shooting at an elevated position in the apartment complex to the west of us.
Right there. The door is open. It's dark. It's dark.
Get behind cover.
It's dark. It's to the left.
Whatever
On the second floor to the
complex
left.
is going to be to the west of us, it's building 4.
Hey,
Do you have any other weapons on you?
Look, no.
What's that?
My other shit is in the house. Everything else in the house. He's shooting a shotgun. He's a white guy. He's shooting a shotgun.
All right, give it. Second story, building 4. My partner saw a WMA on the balcony. He went back inside. The people we have in custody who had a .413 handgun on them are saying that he was firing a shotgun at them. Break.
Right there, John.
Where?
Right here, coming up. Let me see your hands.
Where?
Right there. He's standing up with no shirt.
Oh, fuck. Get back.
8 Baker 76, shots fired. He just fired shots at us. Hey, stay down!
John, get back.
We're code 4 officers are not hit. He fired one shot. We're gonna need a rifle deployed over
Let me
here.
see your fucking head!
Hey, careful. You guys just stay down.
Door's open. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. You got it? He's got a gun. Shots fired.
Patrol 8, Adam 70, we have shots fired. Our subject came out of the apartment,
Still got the gun.
still has the firearm. We have shots fired at OIS. Officers are
Good.
now. Where is he?
He's down. He's down in the doorway.
All right, subject is down in the doorway.